Stay, stay, stay. Oh yeah, that's what we gotta be done there. That one's killer. Today I'm in the studio with Abigail, who is helping me out. And today we're gonna do a little color theory practice. And the tricky thing is to keep the colors isolated and not let them spill into each other. And hopefully today I can show you how to do that. All right, I'm gonna walk you around the setup just to show you kind of what things are doing, how they're playing, what they look like and all that. So right here, this is my main lights, Profoto D2. So you can see it's like teal and blue in there. What'll happen is she'll sit here and then she'll get blue colored here. And behind her is I have orange, which is more like gold and an amber color. And these, if you turn these on, see how orangey my hand is? That's pretty cool, right? And then this one is really kind of a yellow color, but together with their powers combined, they make this really cool golden color. So that's really nice. And then behind me, you can see this is blue paper, but I don't want blue paper because we have a bluish teal colored light. I want a purpley paper. So that's why I'm using this light. Is a Profoto B1 and it has a red color gel on it. And if you see, like you can see, when red hits this, it turns into like a purplish color. So that's what happens when red and blue have a baby, they make purple, and it's really nice and pretty. So I have a shot on the screen. You can see it. This is kind of what the combination of all those look like. We're gonna dial it in a little bit, but as you can see, I have my blue here. My red for my shot is a little strong. So what I want to do is tone this down so it becomes more soft and pretty purple. And I want to give her a little bit more blue on the front of her. And then I want to define that yellow strip, if you want to call it a yellow strip, the yellow side. And hopefully you can actually see where we have a really nice separation here right down the middle of her face. And we're doing that with that black card that you saw. That helps keep the colors isolated and not spill into each other. So let's refine it a little bit and have some fun. All right, so a little pro tip about using color gels. So you just saw we are using a lot of lights and all of them have color gel on them. And the thing about color is anywhere that there is clear white light, colored light cannot exist because clear white light is composed of red, blue, and green. So when we actually get ready to take the shot, I'm gonna have to kill the light that I'm using to record. I'm gonna have to kill the light that I have that's overhead so we can see what we're doing. So bear with me for the rest of this video because we're gonna be working in the dark, so to speak. I can show you what the lights look like on her. So you can see, we're gonna get some gold. You're not gonna see the blue that much because for whatever reason, blue just doesn't show very well. But you can see the gold looks amazing. The red is doing its thing. And I promise the blue is on too. So let's take a couple of test shots and see what we can come up with. The shot we just took, man, your eye looks incredible. Look at this. That's really cool. But I'm still getting too much yellow on your skin. I want to see more blue. I love the blue that's on your face. That's the exact color of blue that we wanted. We need to increase our red again, and I need to swap this card so that that line of blue continues down your front as well as just your face. All right, now I gotta test your yellow one more time. Aha, I see what's happening now. So what I'm gonna do when we actually go to shoot, I'm probably gonna leave this light on so I can see where that golden line is hitting you. And based on where you are right now, I would move this, but I'd rather turn your head so that it lines up. So turn your nose to me some, right there, and then tilt your head like your right ear to the floor. Yeah, right there. That could work. And then I need your eyeballs, like look at me right here. So turn your nose to me right here too. Yeah, that's almost splitting you right where it needs to be. Okay, so let's keep that and give that a shot. All right, so here come lights. Sweet. All right, now I want to tilt you like your left ear down to the ground a little and then chin towards me. Freeze right there. That's really cool. Stay there, that's really pretty. Golly, it's like a lightning bolt going off. I know I said earlier that I wanted this off blue, but I think I want a little bit less. Stay right there, don't move. Now you just look way too alien. So I'm thinking I might change kind of what I want to do here. And I'm gonna have a little bit more yellow coming at you from kind of your side. It'd be like split lighting if this was a normal picture, but yeah, more like that. All right, so we moved camera in closer. We moved shot to be a little tighter. And the only change that's happened is ended up moving one of my yellow lights to be more of a rim light, edge light. So it's coming in from the side. And I still have a little baby kicking in from the 3/4 on her face, but you can see that little yellow strip there. So Abby, stay just like this. Don't move a muscle, stay right there. While we took a quick time out for hairspray, I wanna also show you this thing that I just got that I think is really cool. And I haven't really tried it before today. So I'm gonna try it right now in just a second with Abby. And it is this K&F Concept filter. It is a polarizer, but it's also an adjustable ND filter. So if you wanted to, you could crank it to max, being like totally black, which is nuts. Having a variable ND filter on the camera, especially to use during a shoot, could be really cool. And I haven't really tried it, except for I'm about to. So let's see what happens. This is the neutral density filter being turned. Oh man. And the crazy thing is this Nikon Z8 is trying to adjust what the viewfinder looks at based on what I'm doing, but you can see the ND filter working there. It's at max. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. So let's take a picture. Okay. Very cool. This is what we've been working on. Now let's take one with it all the way turned up to max. And I just want to see the difference. Stay right here, Abby, don't move. Oh, that is really cool too. Dang, that is really cool. So stay just like this, don't move. Oh yeah, this just makes the colors richer. It makes everything pop a little bit more. It's like you have more contrast instantly. Stay right here. It's so dramatic. I love the drama. All right, let's bring your hand up. And I wanna tuck that thumb. It's kind of into your face on that side. Yep, that's good, stay there. Oh golly, that's so cool. All right, so now I've got to turn my lights back on. Sorry, viewers. Right there, hold that. Good. Golly, that's pretty. Now I'm calling an audible. I'm gonna move because I saw this and it just looked cool. Hold that. Oh, that one might be really cool. Hold that there, hold that there. Cool, cool. That's amazing. Beautiful. So I want to turn your shoulder even more that way. Yep, freeze. That's beautiful. Stay right there. Oh, yeah, we got to be done here because that's awesome. Stay, stay, stay. Oh, yeah, we got to be done there. That one's killer. Hopefully you actually learned something valuable. And maybe your takeaway here is you want to try that neutral density filter. Maybe you want to hire Abby for a shoot. Maybe you want to try colored gel for the first time. Whatever it is, send me a message if we can help you navigate whatever you want to try. But I think we accomplished the shot that we wanted to get, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.